how to add a first comment to Instagram posts in Buffer. So first is just log into your account and click on plus right here on the top, the plus new option. Then click on post to create a new post. And once you're here, select the account that you want to use. So for me, this is the Instagram account that I want to use. So I'm just going to select it so you'll know it's selected if it's highlighted like that. And once you're here, you just simply need to upload your media and write your main caption. And once all of that is done, scroll down till you see the first comment section right here. So if you want to add hashtags, just simply tap on the hashtag icon right there to basically open the hashtag manager and insert saved groups or create new ones. So if you haven't created one yet, just simply click on create hashtag group, then add the hashtag group name and the hashtags right there. But if you just simply want to add a text, just basically type in directly here on the your comment box to add extra details, prompts, or links. After that, you can now finalize your post by choosing when to post it right here. So you could either set it to next available, prioritize now, or set date and time. After that, click on schedule post and you're good to go. And that is how you basically add a first comment to Instagram posts in Buffer.